So here in this video we are going to customize our sidebar, the sidebar that we use to display on the right side of our pages. So here in this video I'm just going to customize that sidebar. So for order to do that, we simply have to go to the appears on the left hand side of your dashboard, and then from appearance just click on the widget. Once you are there in the widget, you will see over here that you can set the widget for your sidebar. Then you're having the three footer area, that is footer 1, footer 2, footer 3, that we will do in the next video. And here we are going to setting the sidebar. So here in the sidebar, say let's we wanted to display our recent post. Okay, so in order to do that, we just have to go to our recent post with thumbnails. Okay, and just click over here the drop down menu, and here select the sidebar and then click on the add widget. Okay, once this add widget is done over here, then just click on this button and here give the title to this, say our recent post. Okay, and here you can give the number of posts show. Okay, so we have given the 5 over here as the value, and here you tick over this open the post link in new window. So it will open you if you click on the any of the post, then the post will be open in the new window. Show point in the random orders, that you can select, you know, to select right now. Do not show the current post, that need not to set over here. Then you can select over here the sticky. Okay, sticky mean to say that if activated the option to hide sticky post and to keep them on top with will be ignored. Okay, so they will become sticky, and if you select do not sticky post, then it will be selected the keep sticky post on top of the list. Then title, do not show the post title. If you want that you don't want to show the post title, then you can choose this option. Then if you wanted to show the author name, then you can click on the this option, otherwise you deselect over here. And if you wanted to show particular show post categories along with the post you wanted to show with the post categories uh, names, then you can choose this option. Then set post category name as link pointing to their archives, then that you can set over there. Then if you wanted to show the post date, then you can click over there. If you wanted to show post export, then you can tick the button like this way. So set sign for export as post, ignore post exports failed, and all these things. And from here show comment of the number of comment on the post, that you can select it or deselect from here. Then in the last you can select the categories of which categories of post are you wanted to show over there. So if you wanted to show all the categories, then click on the all categories. So this is in our case we are having only 3 posts, so we just select all categories. Or we can show the thumbnails, means it will display small images over there. Specify, if you want to specify the height and width of the thumbnail, that you can specify, otherwise by default it will be taken as 75. And also use the aspect ratio of the images. That all you have two options, you have to select it from here. Then after this you just simply click on the save button. If save is done, then after this click on the done button. Your sidebar register post with the thumbnail is added over there. Now I just wanted to add some, say uh, recent comment I wanted to add over here. Just click over here, then click on the add to visit. Then here type our we can write it over here, most or recent comments. So number of comment you wanted to show is that we have set equal to 5. Then click on the save button and you will be able to save the thing. Then after this click on the done button, and I just wanted to add one more option over here to this visit, that I just wanted to display some image gallery over there, or okay, image gallery. So I just select gallery over here, and then click on the add widget, and here just click say our project. I'm just this time I'm going to giving title as our project, and click on the add image. Here create gallery option is selected over here, so I'm selecting this time this image and this image, and likewise this image, and say I would select this image and this image and this image. Okay, and then click on the button create new gallery, and simply click on the insert gallery option here, and if you wanted to add or remove some of the images, just click on the edit gallery and you will be able to do that, and click on the save button in the last, and click on the done button. Okay, so this way you have done created a sidebar for your pages. So most of the cases, if we move to the website, here just click on here and visit website. We see over there, this is our front page, and we don't find the sidebar on our front page. If we visit any of our page, like we wanted to visit my blog, this my WordPress by WordPress, then click on this blog, and you will see this blog is here it looks, and you will find this sidebar at this right sidebar on the right side of the page. Okay, so you can create different type of the sidebars, or you can add many options to this sidebars to be used over here as per your requirements. So this is how we can customize our sidebar using the WordPress. That's all for now. See you in the next video.